In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Pinterest mobile business account for Amazon affiliate. If you promote products as an Amazon associate, switching your Pinterest profile to a business account gives you access to analytics, branded profiles, and advertising tools that can help you grow. I'll walk you through the exact taps on the Pinterest mobile app so you can get set up quickly and correctly. Start by opening the Pinterest app on your phone and make sure you're signed into the personal account you want to use. On the home screen, head to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. This takes you to your current profile where we'll make the change. Next, look to the top right and tap the settings gear icon. In the settings menu, find and open account management. This is where Pinterest keeps the controls for switching between personal and business. You don't need to create a separate account. Pinterest lets you convert the one you already have. Inside account management, tap Convert to Business Account. Pinterest will show a brief summary of what changes when you switch. Your pins, boards, and followers stay the same. You simply unlock business features. When you're ready, confirm by tapping Convert Account. The app will begin a short onboarding flow. You'll be asked to add your profile name. Choose a clear brand-forward name that reflects your niche, like home decor tips or fitness gear reviews, so people instantly know what you're about. Tap Next, then type in your website. For Amazon affiliate marketing, enter the website or blog where your product content lives and where you publish your required disclosures. If you need to, you can add or update this later, but entering it now helps Pinterest connect your brand across platforms. Continue by describing your business. Select the category that best matches what you do. Think about the main type of content you create or the products you feature most often. Tap Next. Pinterest will then ask if you're interested in running ads. Choose yes, no, or not sure. This choice doesn't lock you in, it just tailors recommendations. Tap Next to finish. That's it. Your account is now a Pinterest business account. From here, you'll notice access to analytics and a more professional profile setup that supports brand growth. As you move forward with affiliate content, keep your branding consistent, make your profile name and bio keyword rich for search, and ensure your website and pins follow Amazon Associate and Pinterest policies. With this foundation in place, you're ready to create high-quality pins that drive traffic to your content and help you earn more from your affiliate efforts.